Look at my pretty girl, sitting up all by herself. I just have to hold your hands. Whoa! Oh, you saved yourself. You're a little wobbly, but you're doing so good. Yes, you are. And you want to eat my hands, I know. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ah, rah, rah, rah. Nice face. Look at that baby. Whoa. Whoa. Are you having fun?